Hi, this is Hungry from pakklett.no, and today I'm going to have a quick review of this CloudUp 2 updated version 2018 that we just received. So we're going to see what inside the box and set it up and have a quick review. So what you receive when you buy the tent is the tent itself, and also you have the free footprint that comes with the tent. Okay, and we're going to see what inside this CloudUp 2 updated version. Okay, inside on the package you also have the instruction is here included in the package, and you have the tent fly, and this is the tent poles and the plugs. So the tent flies, this is the gray version. This is the outer tent, and it's made from 20D silicone nylon, with 4,000 millimeter of waterproof. And this is the inner tent. It has the red on the floor and then the gray color on the upper part. Okay, and the pole made from aluminum, very nice and high quality. And here is the tent plugs and the ropes. Okay, and on the footprint, the fabric is 210 polyester. It's thicker than the outer tent to give you some more protection on the ground. Okay, so that's what you have with the CloudUp 2. We're gonna go out and set it up and have a quick look. Okay, so I just setting it up, and as you can see, it's very easy to set up, and just need one person to set it up, and take just a few minutes. Now we're going to have a quick look inside the tent. Okay, so this is the tent from the outside. As you can see that compared to the older version, this version we have this additional guidelines here on the side of the tent, so it can help the tent to stay against strong wind, especially when the wind is on the side of the tent. And also here we can see on the back here we have this vent. This is additional. This is new on this version, and
they will have the ventilation to improve the ventilation of the tent compared to the last one. And overall, it looks very nice. Okay. So this is a tent for two. We're gonna see what is inside. So we have a small vestibule here, and here is the inner tent. And I already put here inside two sleeping pads. You can see that it fits. It has space for two persons inside here. So what we have inside the tent is the length is 210 centimeter and 125 centimeter wide and 100 centimeter tall, and I can very easily sit inside the tent. So this is a tent without the outer tent, and you can see that this is new compared to the last version. We have a new pole, the poles, additional poles compared to the last version of CloudUp 2, and with this on the rear side, the stand can be self-standing instead of requiring to have the plug to the ground like on the last version. And also the tent can also be set up without the inner tent. So if you have the footprint, you can use the footprint and the outer tent with the pole outside. So in overall, it's a very nice tent. It has a very good quality fabric, utility silicone nylon, and good design with additional poles. And I think it's well balanced between stability and weight. So it weighs about 1.4 kilograms for a two-person tent. It's very good. So this one suitable for 3 seasons, and the inner tent cover is not all mesh tent, so you have some part is more covers. Okay, so it was the quick review of the CloudUp 2 updated version. Thank you for watching, and check out the tent on our website.